Thoroughbred TV, you heard me? I said, he done blew it to win. It's a fact, we ain't gonna see him again. He'd have told me to do this with the pen. He'd have told me, go hard, fuck jail, you'll see him again. As far as him, I just picture his grin. It's like I had to laugh when they told me not to ride. Moms know how I react, so I just told her a lie. I could care less about the county. You need evidence to drown me. And my last attempt was past tense. I threw a little dirt on his body to cleanse mine. And I know I'm gonna be busting that 9 in due time. I look his family in the eyes and I see backed up tears. Cause that boy ain't running back upstairs. He ain't never rolling up another Dutch round here. P-Block will never be the same without him there. It's like, damn, them niggas hit my mans. If it was about money, then it was part of his plans. They got me in the jam. And it's like I'm supposed to understand, but I don't. Niggas snitching and they ain't taking the stand. Gotta ride on the mission. Bang them, fuck if they... Man, shout out to Marv. Hey, rest in peace, my nigga. Matter of fact, have peace in paradise. You hear me?